Good morning, everyone. Hope you all are fit and fine. Dear students, today we will discuss chapter number 9, Future Time Reference, taken from our English practice book. So, students, let's begin with the worksheet number 1 and read some sentences published in a newspaper. Because these all sentences show predictions. First one, students, we can read Aries. It is going to be a tough week for you. Being patient will be rewarding. The next students, Taurus, you will experience a sense of satisfaction in helping the needy. Gemini, this week you are likely to juggle with many different activities simultaneously. Next one, students, Cancer, a surprise visit by an old friend keeps you busy this week. Next one, beta, Leo. You will experience a high level of energy and enthusiasm. Next, Virgo. You are going to make a lasting impact in a professional encounter. Next one, students, Libra. Traveling is on the cards. Pack your bags. You are leaving for an exciting vacation very soon. Next one, beta, Scorpio. An important business meeting makes you nervous and keeps you on your toes this week. Next one, students, Sagittarius. You will spend a lot of time in pampering yourself. Capricorn. Opportunity will be knocking at your door very soon. You must grab it before it leaves. Aquarius, inner peace comes through meditation this week. You will follow a hectic routine. And last one, students, you may consider selling property. Be careful to avoid partnership. Now, students, did you notice that all the above sentences talk about future? बेटा जितने भी sentences हैं ये क्या show कर रहे हैं? These all talk about future. Although in different ways, but students इनके ways इनका तरीका अलग अलग है. For example, students in first will क्या show कर रहा है आपको? Future tense. Then will be rewarding, going to, keeps, etc. Okay, students, these all sentences talk about future, although in different ways. Now, students, remember that reference to future can be made in different ways. Okay, reference to future can be made in different ways. The following table will help you understand various forms that can be used to talk about future. ये student first one, future with will और shall. बेटा हम future time show कर रहे हैं, use कर रहे हैं will और shall. तो बेटा हम कहाँ कहाँ use करेंगे? Future with will और shall usage for making promises. बेटा हम किसी से promise कर रहे हैं. For example, बेटा I will surely help you. नेक्स्ट वन, फॉर मेकिंग प्रिडिक्शंस. प्रिडिक्ट करने के लिए बेटा कुछ भविष्यवाणी करने के लिए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल बेटा मैन विल रीच मार्स सून. कुछ प्रिडिक्ट करने के लिए हम क्या यूज़ करें बेटा? फ्यूचर विथ विल और शेल. फॉर टॉकिंग अबाउट फ्यूचर इवेंट्स इन अ जर्नल वे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल बेटा मार्केट्स विल रिमेन क्लोज ऑन Sunday. Here students, it should be close. Okay. Markets will remain closed on Sunday. यहाँ पर बेटा हमने will का use करा है. For what? To show future. Okay. For making promises, for making predictions, for talking about future events in a general way, we use will or shall. Then students, second one, future with going to. हम फ्यूचर टाइम शो करने के लिए गोइंग टू को भी यूज़ करते हैं. एंड यूजेस स्टूडेंट्स टू प्रेडिक्ट दैट अ प्रेजेंट सिचुएशन विल कॉज समथिंग इन फ्यूचर. इंडिकेट करना, कुछ इंडिकेशन देना. क्या प्रेडिक्ट करने के लिए बेटा? कि अब जो सिचुएशन है, प्रेजेंट सिचुएशन जो उसका कुछ ना कुछ फ्यूचर पे इफेक्ट होगा. टू प्रेडिक्ट दैट अ प्रेजेंट सिचुएशन विल कॉज समथिंग इन फ्यूचर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल बेटा द वॉल इज क्रैक्ड, प्रेजेंट सिचुएशन हो गया आपकी, टू प्रेडिक्ट दैट अ प्रेजेंट सिचुएशन, द वॉल इज क्रैक्ड, ये वॉल जो है कैसी है, क्रैक्ड हुई हुई है। अब इसका फ्यूचर में क्या इंडिकेट कर रहा है बेटा ये हमें, इट इज़ गोइंग टू क्रम्बल सून, गोइंग टू, हमने गोइंग टू को बेटा किस लिए यूज़ करें, टू शो फ्यूचर, ओके, द वॉल इज क्रैक्ड, इट इज़ गोइंग टू क्रम्बल soon, to predict that a present situation will cause something in future. Then next beta, to state an intention, हमारा क्या इरादा है, to state an intention we use going to. For example beta, I am going to buy a new car. Like this students, we use will or shall and going to show future. Next one students, future with present continuous plus time expression. For talking about events planned for near future, बेटा हम near future में कोई भी events plan कर रहे हैं तो उसके लिए हम क्या यूज़ करेंगे, future with present continuous. For example, I am visiting. am visiting बेटा क्या शो कर रहा है, present continuous. I am visiting, present continuous plus time expression. My doctor tomorrow. Tomorrow is time expression. So future with present continuous plus time expression is used for talking about events planned for near future. For example, I am visiting my doctor tomorrow. Next one today is future with simple present. Because we use simple present for talking about events happening according to a schedule. एक schedule के according, for example students कोई programs हैं, कोई time table है etc. in the future. For example here, the president visits the city tomorrow. Visits simple present tense है but क्या show करे बेटा, future को. The president visits the city tomorrow. Next one students, the period gets over at 10:30 according to timetable. हमने यहाँ क्या यूज़ करें, simple present to show future. Okay. Next students, using models. For example students, suggesting possibility, हम कोई possibility suggest कर रहे हैं, she may shift to a new house next month. तो हमने model यूज़ करा है may to show future. Making a suggestion, you should change your job by September. Next one, expressing a necessity, you must finish the project by Monday. In this way students, we use different forms, will or shall, going to, or future with present continuous and time expression, or we can say future with simple present and by using models to show future. Okay, reference to future can be made in different ways like this. Now beta, let's move on to the worksheet number 2. Read the predictions given in worksheet 1 again and write which form mentioned in the table has been used to talk about the future in various predictions. One example has been done for you. For example beta, Taurus, future with will. यहाँ बेटा हमने फ्यूचर को शो करने के लिए कौन सी फॉर्म यूज़ करी है, will. फ्यूचर विथ will. लाइक दिस स्टूडेंट्स, एरिस, एरिस में हमने बेटा फ्यूचर शो करने के लिए क्या यूज़ करें, फ्यूचर विथ गोइंग टू. फ्यूचर विथ गोइंग टू को यूज़ करें हमने फ्यूचर शो करने के लिए. देन स्टूडेंट्स, कैंसर, फ्यूचर विथ कीप्स, मतलब सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस, फ्यूचर विथ keeps. The students, Libra, future with are living, means present continuous. The students, Scorpio, future with makes and keeps, or we can say simple present. Like the students, try to find out and then students write down which form mentioned in the table has been used to talk about the future in various predictions. Okay students, move on to the worksheet number 3. Read the following predictions about future. A glimpse of the future. Overhead metro trains will replace ground level trains. Cities will be developed under sea. 5-star hotels will be built on clouds. Mars will become a tourist sport. Beta, these all are predictions. These all are predictions, and beta, we have used here will. We have used here will to predict things about future. Okay, students, beta, remember will is often used to predict things about future. will को हम बेटा ज़्यादातर यूज़ करते हैं थिंग्स को प्रिडिक्ट करने के लिए फ्यूचर की. विल इज़ ऑफन यूज टू प्रिडिक्ट थिंग्स अबाउट फ्यूचर एंड इट इज़ यूज टू एक्सप्रेस इवेंट्स इन विच योर पर्सनल विशेस डोंट मैटर. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, work with your partner and write at least 10 predictions. Okay, write at least 10 predictions about the future world. Use will in these predictions. Here students, you have to frame sentences. Okay, you have to frame predictions and beta use will in all your sentences. Okay, remember, use will in all your sentences. For example, beta, we can do like this. Cities will be developed on moon. Schools will be built on clouds. 5-star hotels will be built under sea. Solar energy will be used to run vehicles. Servants will be replaced by robots. Books will be replaced by CDs. Like this, students, you can frame any sentence. As per your wish, students, you can frame any sentence and write down here at least 10 predictions about the future world, and better remember, use will, okay, in all these predictions. Now beta, let's move on to the worksheet number 4. Nikita has planned her schedule for the month of June in a calendar. Read her schedule and rewrite in complete sentences using will in the space provided on the next page. One example has been given to help you. On 1st of June, students, हमें यहाँ पर क्ल्यू गिवन है बेटा. क्ल्यू इज़ गिवन टू अस. फॉर एग्जांपल, विजिट ग्रैंड मदर्स हाउस. बेटा, अब हमें इसको किस तरीके से राइट करना है? विल का यूज़ करके. निकिता विल विजिट हर ग्रैंड मदर्स हाउस. ओके, निकिता विल विजिट हर ग्रैंड मदर्स हाउस ऑन विच डेट बेटा? ऑन द 1st of जून. तो बेटा सेकंड को हमें क्या दे रखा है? स्पेंड टाइम विद फ्रेंड्स. तो बेटा हाउ कैन वी राइट? निकिता विल स्पेंड टाइम विद हर फ्रेंड्स ऑन 2nd of जून, और वी कैन से ऑन 2nd जून. देन स्टूडेंट्स, 3rd जून को निकिता क्या करेगी? निकिता विल गो फॉर एन आउटिंग ऑन 3rd of जून. देन ऑन 4th बेटा इट्स रिटर्न टू पेरेंट्स हाउस. वी कैन डू लाइक दिस स्टूडेंट्स. Nikita will return to her home on 4th of June. Complete maths homework. कौन सी डेट को करेगी maths homework? 5th of June. तो how can we write, students? Nikita will complete maths homework on 5th of June. Now students, 6, 7, 8 these are blanks. तो बेटा हम इसको यहाँ पर sentences write नहीं करने हैं. For 9 students, now we can write down like this. Nikita will watch a magic show on 9th of June. Like this, students, frame sentences. Okay, students, like this, frame sentences using will. Okay, frame sentences, complete all sentences using will in the space provided to you on the next page. Now beta, let's start with the part B here. Imagine yourself to be a salesman who wants to sell a robot to a customer. Tell the buyer how your robot will help him. आपको जो है एज अ जो है स्टूडेंट्स वी कैन से सेल्समैन की तरह बिहेव करना है, और आपको एक कस्टमर को बेटा अपना एक रोबोट जो है सेल करना है. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, टेल द बायर हाउ योर रोबोट विल हेल्प हिम. आपको बेटा बायर को बताना है कि आपका रोबोट उसको किस तरीके से हेल्प करेगा. Write the sentences on the next page in the space provided. You may take hints from the blurbs given below. One is done for you. You can write down like this, students. This robot will change your life completely. It will cook food for you. It will wash dishes for you. It will clean your house. It will buy groceries from the market for you. Okay, it will repair electronic devices. Like this, students, we can write down sentences here. Okay, you can write down as per your wish, students. Now students, let's move on to the part C. Here students, imagine how an alien living on Mars would look like. कि एक एलियन जो है बेटा मार्स पर है वो कैसा दिखता होगा. इमेजिन हाउ एन एलियन लिविंग ऑन मार्स वुड लुक लाइक. यूजिंग योर इमेजिनेशन, draw the creature in the box given on the right, okay, and write the description of the creature in the space provided below. One sentence has been given to guide you. Here students, in the space provided to you, आपको क्या करना है बेटा? You have to draw a creature. ओके आपको एक एलियन की पिक्चर ड्रॉ करनी है बेटा यहाँ पर अपनी इमेजिनेशन से कि आपको कैसा लगता है कि एलियन जो है कैसे होते हैं एलियन. ओके आपको उसको अपने अकॉर्डिंग बेटा इमेजिन करके यहाँ पर आपको जो एक पिक्चर ड्रॉ करनी है. देन स्टूडेंट्स राइट डाउन द डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ द क्रिएचर. बेटा जैसे भी आप पिक्चर जो है क्रिएट करोगे अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट स्टूडेंट्स राइट डाउन अबाउट दैट डिस्क्रिप्शन. राइट द description of the creature in the space provided below. One sentence has been given to guide you students. For example बेटा the alien will have 3 eyes. हम बेटा पिक्चर में जो है फेस पे उसकी 3 eyes शो कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. The alien will have 3 eyes that will be fixed under his nose. जो कहाँ पर फिक्स होगी उसके नोज के नीचे. बेटा जर्नल आइज कहाँ होती है? नोज के ऊपर ना. बट हमने यहाँ पर क्या किया बेटा एलियन की आइज को क्या कर रहे हैं? दैट एलियन विल हैव 3 eyes दैट विल बी फिक्स्ड अंडर हिज नोज. देन स्टूडेंट्स वी कैन राइट डाउन ही विल हैव नो माउथ. कि उसका कोई माउथ ही नहीं होगा. ओके ही विल हैव 2 holes और वी कैन से ही विल हैव 5 holes इन प्लेस ऑफ ईयर्स. ईयर्स की जगह उसके 5 holes होंगे. बेटा अपनी इमेजिनेशन से यू कैन ड्रॉ द क्रिएचर इन द बॉक्स गिवन ऑन द राइट साइड एंड देन बेटा राइट द डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ द creature as per your wish students. You can write down. Okay students, now beta I hope that it's clear to you. Now let's move on to the worksheet number 5 beta. Look at the given pictures and write what is going to happen. कि क्या होने वाला है. Okay, future के बारे में आपको write करना है बेटा. For example बेटा there are clouds in the sky. It is going to rain. The fruit has ripened. It is going to fall down. The plane is going to land, or we can say the plane is in the sky. It is going to land. The man is shaking the tree. He is going to pluck fruit, or we can write down apples. The cars are not arranged. They are going to fall. The bench is broken. The man is going to fall down. Like this students you can frame sentences. Okay beta, look at the given pictures and then students try to write down what is going to happen. Now students complete worksheet 1 to 5 in your books. Okay, complete worksheet 1 to 5 and then students try remaining worksheets of this chapter. That's all for today beta. Thanks and have a nice day.